Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming permissions and selecting a no-code builder. Create or pick the server where the bot will live. Make sure you have Manage Server. Once chosen, sign into the no-code platform and authorize Discord integration using OAuth. Name your bot, upload an avatar, and set a command prefix so commands won't conflict. Also select required intents and basic scopes so the bot can read messages or manage roles. These first actions connect the bot to Discord and let you begin building rules. Once connected, design the bot's behavior using the platform's visual editor. Build commands by dragging blocks, input, logic, and output. Create triggers, /commands for user input, keyword listeners for chat, or time schedules for announcements. Add variables to store user data, conditionals to branch behavior, and role checks to restrict actions. This prevents permission issues. Test each flow in a private channel and iterate until responses and embeds format correctly. Make sure to save versions so you can revert if a change breaks functionality. Deploy the bot and run structured tests. Admin, moderator, and regular user scenarios to confirm permissions. Monitor the platform's logs for errors, rate limits, or failed API calls. These tell you why a command didn't run. If something stops working, first reauthorize the bot, clear platform cache, and check intents. As a final step, roll back to a known good version or patch the specific flow. If problems persist, inspect permission hierarchy and role overrides. Most issues are caused by missing manage messages or conflicting role positions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.